For today, we're going to look at another way you can generate variations and more iterations of a pre-existing image, maybe something you've already done before, using the remix tool and jumping through the different versions of Midjourney. Let's get into it. So maybe you're working with an image that has the qualities of what you're looking for your current project, but it's not quite there yet. And you've already gone through the motions of generating more variations of that image using the other tools like Very Strong or maybe Upscale Creative or even re-rolling an image, and you still can't find what you're looking for. Here's another way that you can do it. So now I'm opening up this old image that I created a few weeks back. And as you can see, it's an animated face of a girl, a teenage girl. And I created it using Midjourney version AG6. So if you're new and you don't see the remix tool, one thing that you can do is click on more options and make sure that remix is checked. So the remix tool appears in your creation actions. And so the remix tool, what it basically does is when you click on remix subtle or remix strong, you are given the opportunity to edit the prompt that the image was created with. But in this case, I'm not going to edit anything from the prompt. I'm just going to remove the Midjourney version that was used to create that image. Then I'm going to click on settings. Then I'm going down to version. And on the other side, you can see the version that I used to create that image. I used Midjourney 96. Now for this new one, I'm going to use Midjourney 5.1, version 5.1. All right, and I'm going to hit on settings again. And I'm going to hit enter. And let's look at what Midjourney will come up with for us. So at first glance, our new images look similar to our original image. But if we take a closer look and click on the images, you're going to notice a lot of differences. It's like another artist made it, and like the shape of the eyes, it's different, and the tones are different. There are more details on the images compared to the old one. And we just used the same prompt, but we used a different Midjourney version to create these new ones. And let's upscale that one and this one. And the version that was used to create that image can be found under the prompt. So you can see there it's version 5.1. So how about we remix it one more time? Click on remix subtle and let's delete version 5.1 in the prompt. Go back to settings and let's choose version 6. So let's hit enter and let's look at our results. So as you can see, these new images that we created using version 6 is totally different from our original image. Let's click on upscale subtle. Let's upscale this. Though it still follows our prompt, it's still an analytic drawing face chart of a girl with green eyes, front facing. But the details, the strokes are totally different from our original image. And we've only changed the Midjourney version. But still, it's giving us different iterations of that original image. More ways that you can find what you're looking for. Because that's what Midjourney is about. You can play with it to your heart's content. And if you see something you like, you can focus on that until you really get to where you want to go. So play around with different versions of Midjourney by remixing your images, and you might just find what you're looking for. I usually start with the latest version, then I kind of time machine back to previous Midjourney versions until I see something I like. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you want to learn more tips and tricks and other neat, cool things you can do with Midjourney, subscribe to our Midjourney newsletter. It's a weekly email that comes in your inbox with articles about everything under the Midjourney sun. So bye for now, and I'll see you again on the next one.